Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Let's begin the class with an activity. Children, can you guess the given shapes? I have four right angles. I have four right angles and all my sides are the same length. All my sides are the same length. All sides are equal. Yes, very good. It's a square. The next is I am a box-shaped object. I am a box-shaped object that has six identical square faces. It has six identical square faces. Yes, correct. It's a cube. Well done.
Children, tell me, what is the formula to find the area of a square and the volume of a cube? The area of a square is side square and the volume of a cube is side cube. Very good, well done. If the length of a square is A, if the length of a square is A, then what will be the area of a square? Yes, the area of a square is equal to A into A, that is side square. Now suppose the length of a cube is A. The length of a cube is A. Then tell me, what will be the volume of a cube? Yes, the volume of a cube will be A into A into A is equal to A cube.
Children, if you will see carefully, there is a number at the upper right corner of A. What does that mean? We often come across this kind of numbers, y square, x cube. We often come across this kind of numbers, but have you ever thought what does it indicate?
Bravo, students, bravo. It's exponent. This is called as exponents. So today we will learn about exponents. Students, now tell me, what do you mean by an exponent? What do you mean by an exponent? An exponent tells you how many times how many times base value is multiplied by itself. It tells us how many times the base value is being multiplied by itself. Here you can see 2 is what? It's a base value. And this 2 is known as what? Exponent, power or index. And it is read as 2 to the power of 5 or 2 to the fifth power. See here you can see it is 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 or 2 to the power of 5. Children, let's have a look at these numbers. Well, at the end, you can see that 2 is multiplied how many times? It is multiplied 10 times. Here you can see. Okay. But imagine, just imagine writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 50 times. Don't you think it will be too confusing and will be very difficult for counting and understanding? To come out of this confusion and to avoid this lengthy operation, the mathematicians have introduced this method. Children, tell me, how are exponents useful in our daily life? Don't know? No problem. I will tell you. Exponents are used in a variety of ways. Most often when we talk about very big or very small things. For example, it is used to describe a computer's memory. Yes, it is used to describe a computer's memory. Here you can see. It is also used to measure the strength of an earthquake. It is also used to measure the strength of an earthquake. Or it is used to measure the large distances. That is the distance from the earth to moon. And it is used to calculate the large numbers, to find or counting the large numbers.
It's activity time again. Let's see whether you all have understood or not. So here you have to pick out the exponent, base, and you have to write in the multiplication form. So first one is y cube. So what is the exponent here is what? It's 3, base is y, and the multiplication form is y into y into y. Next one is minus 2 to the power of 5. So here our exponent is 5, base is minus 2, and we are going to write it in this 5 times minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. And the next one is 7 to the power of 8. So here exponent is 8, base is 7, and we are going to multiply how many times? 7 we are going to multiply 8 times. E 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Thank you children. Bye.